Welcome back, guys. What's up? Today I'm here with Nadula here again. Their wigs have been so bomb. So I know we're in January, but obviously this package got to me a little late because Christmas delays and stuff. So yeah, I'm still here with it. I love how they changed it up for the Christmas season though. The box is red. Usually they don't have like a red box, so that's very nice of them. I really like the packaging. It says Nadula here and Merry Christmas on the front. So I really like that. So this is a wig. For everything else in the box, we have a scarf. I like the fact that they gave me a scarf. I love getting scarves. Branded Nadula. I got 2 wig caps. Ooh, okay, that's nice. It's like a bracelet. It's such a festive bracelet though. It has Santa. I'd definitely be wearing it next Christmas. And they sent 3 of them. That's so nice. I got this clip that says kiss. It's always good to get one of these in your packages, help with the extra slay off the edges. That is everything that came in the box. And now onto the wig. I love this already. I love the color, everything. It came as a center part, but you can really part it anywhere. It's bleached. The knots are bleached. Inside has a pretty standard construction. Comes with 3 combs. It has adjustable straps in the back. And that's how it looks. I'm gonna be sure to put the specifications of this wig in the description box. The color is really nice. As you know, this is like a trendy color, so this is it's gonna be so lit. Let me just go ahead and jump into installing this. This is such a gorgeous color. I love this. You're driving me crazy, driving me crazy.
Driving me crazy, oh. And lately I ain't thinking straight. Your body's amazing, oh. The way your body syncopates. You're driving me crazy. And lately I ain't thinking straight. Your body's amazing.
For my last couple of videos, I've done center parts. I feel like it's only right to switch up today's look and do like side part. Guys, you see the color job on this wig? It's gorgeous. It's gorgeous. So now I'm just gonna do my edges. This wig, easy to not do any baby hair. So easy. All you need to do is just brush it back. I have a video on that. I'll link it down below. So check it out. It was a similar color to this as well. So yeah. But I'm just going to go ahead and finesse the edges. So I'm going to take my mousse to do that.
You're driving me crazy, driving me crazy, driving me crazy. Your body's made, your body's made. The way your body syncopates. You're driving me crazy, oh. And lately I ain't thinking straight. Your body's amazing, oh. The way your body syncopates. You're driving me crazy.
that it's all the way from the roots. It's just really pretty, you know. I feel like it really complements my skin tone really nicely. It's giving me like Ciara vibes. You remember them time there when Ciara was rocking this color? It gives me Beyonce vibes too, but you know, it gives me that Ciara vibes too. Like, even Christina Milian, I remember some years ago when she was rocking this color. Really pretty. So I haven't done anything to this as yet, so I'm gonna go ahead. I'm so tempted to straighten this hair. So tempted to straighten. Lately I've just been like so into like sleek straight hair, and you know what? It's because of my flat iron, right? I've been loving this flat iron. It doesn't matter how much hair, it gets the job done so quickly.
You're driving me crazy, driving me crazy, driving me crazy. And lately, your body's made, your body's made, your body's made. The way your body syncopates, you're driving me crazy. Oh. And lately I ain't thinking straight. Your body's amazing. The way your body syncopates, you're driving me crazy. And lately I ain't thinking straight. Your body's amazing.
Nadula hair stepped out strong with this wig. I love the quality. It's absolutely gorgeous. Look at that. That's so nice. So nice. I'm gonna put all the specifications in the description box for you guys. This is so nice. I didn't even like stress a parting because as you can see, I'm like rocking it like flip over. It came with the center part and everything, but as I say, you can part it anywhere you like, because it's a full, like, it's a lace front, so you know it has that free parting space. But the color here for me get 12 out of 10. I'm going to put the direct link to this hair in my description box. You can go ahead and feel free to go ahead and like check it out, purchase it if you're interested in getting it for yourself. So yeah, the link for that will be down there. It's like butter, and I know it will be so pretty to like add waves to this too, but as I said, I've been on a whole straight kind of vibe. It's just gorgeous. It's gorgeous. Flyaways, minimal flyaways. Shedding, every hair sheds, but this really and truly is not shedding a lot. Let me know what you guys think about it down below in the comment section. Don't forget to go ahead and subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. Give this video a thumb up if it was informative, and don't forget to check out my vlog channel at PETITE-SUE TV. Yeah, but that's it for today, guys. That is it for today. So just want to stay tuned, go and big up on yourself, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then,